Okay, so for the use of order of operations, you need to know what the order of operations is. So what we need to know, so you can use the acronym PEMDAS, or you can use what I use to remember is this. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, and what that stands for is please stands for parentheses. Excuse stands for exponents. My stands for multiplication. Here stands for division. And stands for addition. And Sally stands for subtraction. So now that we know that, and when you're working with it, one of the things that you might want to remember is that when you're doing multiplication and division, you can just do it from left to right. This isn't a hierarchy for these two, and it isn't a hierarchy for these two, meaning addition isn't greater than subtraction and multiplication isn't greater than division. You just take it from left to right. Okay, an example would be if you have 5 plus 4 minus 3, okay, you would just go from left to right. So 5 plus 4 is 9, then you would go ahead and minus the 3. It wouldn't mean that you would have to do one before the other, kind of thing. So now let's looking at our original problem of 15 minus the quantity of, right here we have the quantity of 2 minus 4, parenthesis, squared. So the first thing we're going to do is our parentheses. So that we're going to write this down and doing each step. So 15 minus 2 minus 4, we're going to do that. That's going to give us a negative 2. And we're going to keep the parentheses there because we have the exponent. Okay, the next thing we do is our exponents. So we're going to have the 15, we're still not doing anything with because it's not part of what we're working on. We're going to take the negative 2 and square it. So that's going to be negative 2 times negative 2, which is going to give us, because our negative signs are going to cancel out, and we're going to be left with a positive 4. So 15 minus negative 2 squared is going to give us a positive 4. And then now we're going to do, we don't have any multiplication or division, so we're going to skip right over those. But we do have subtraction. So that means we even skip over the addition. And so we have 15 minus 4, and that is going to give us 11. So that would be how we would use the order of operations to solve this little expression that we have here.